Hi, so now we have Macho Zingman from Myanmar. Hi, Macho. So please share your experience. How was it at TLC2 and YRS Symposium?
For my first time of Chennai, India, so I'm very excited to share my work. I'm also delightful to meet many professors in Chennai and all other regions. It's a very good platform. Yes, low carbon and lean construction. Low carbon and lean construction teams are very warmly welcome. So it's a good. I look forward to participate in coming for young researchers. So it's a good platform. Strongly recommend to participate in
So will
coming.
you promote TLC2 in back at your home at Myanmar? Will your juniors come back here
Yeah,
next
I
year?
also promote it because I'm a teacher in Myanmar. I also recommend my pupils to participate in this seminar and also TLC workshop.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Hi, now we have Uday with us. He's from IIT Guwahati. Hi, Uday. Please share your experience at YRS Symposium.
Um, I'm Dr. Uday. I have finished my PhD from IIT Guwahati, and I have started my research career from here. As a project officer, I have worked with Professor Manu, and coming back here and presenting my work here is quite emotional for me. And this is a very good platform for the young researchers to present their work, get a constructive feedback, and go back and work on these things. So I strongly recommend to the young researchers and fellow researchers to come here, showcase your work, and learn from it, and go back and improve yourself.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Uday.
ma'am.
Hi, Ahmad. And Ahmad is a PhD scholar from NIT Warangal. Please share your experience at TLC2 workshop and YRS symposium.
Yeah, sure. My name is Ahmed Lothman from Syria, and I'm doing my PhD research in NIT Warangal. It's an honor for me to be at third Young Research Symposium and to be at IIT Madras as well. It's a great and a great opportunity for not only final stage PhD researcher, but also for all people who are looking for in-depth academic research. Actually, IIT Madras and TLC, they are leading the research not only in India, but I feel and I'm sure in the all the world. And yeah, I strongly recommend this event and workshop for all young researchers to join at YRS in 26. And it's a good opportunity also to hear and listen from all your researchers, colleagues, faculties, and get input for your research as well. So thank you to IIT Madras and TLC, and great thankful for all team members who arranged this event, and they give too much effort and time for that. Thank you all as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahmad. So now we have Avinaya from Arizona State University. Please share your experience here at IIT Madras.
Hello everyone, I'm Avinay. I'm from Arizona State University. I recently graduated from ASU, but again, mostly for people who are graduating or who have graduated just now, YRS gives a very good exposure to people, kind of like a reflection on how you did it or what you have done in your 4, 5, whatever years you did your PhD. So again, it's highly recommended. I'll say I did not know about it before IIT Madras student went to our place to do a PhD. He told me about this thing and I saw previous videos and I thought like, okay, it's a very nice opportunity to know people, make connections. And I have heard a lot about BTCM through the student, and coming here, I have seen like a lot of effort put into it by all the people from BTCM. So it's a very well organized event, nice food. So, and at least like the 2 days I have been here, I have enjoyed a lot. And again, I'll recommend everyone who is in the boards of graduating, just apply. If selected, come here, enjoy the moment also. So, yeah.
Thank you so much. We have Nalaka from Sri Lanka. So please share your experience here at IIT Madras and at YRS Symposium.
I'm Nalaka and I'm from University of Morato, Sri Lanka. And it was a very pleasant experience at IIT Madras. I should mention all the organizers of TLC too. And also it's a very precious thing for a PhD researcher to meet someone who can understand your work and share your work and get some constructive feedback, as well as engage in some fruitful discussions. So that was a very pleasant experience for me, and as well as not only the professional environment here, it was a very pleasant environment, as well as good accommodation, good food, and also thank you for funding all of us, and nice set of peers and peer students and colleagues, right? So we made many connections here. So I recommend all of the PhD graduates, as well as the people who are doing PhD work, to participate in TLC2 next year. So thank you for everything. Yeah.
Thank you, Nalaka. So you have heard all of them. Please stay awake for our post next year and join us here at TLC2 in YRS Symposium, and see you again next year. Thank you. Yes.
Organizers.
Yes.